Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create a snapshot in a GoHighLevel. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your GoHighLevel agency dashboard, and after that just simply go ahead and go to the settings and select account snapshot, and from there just simply click on create new snapshot, and from there just simply provide a name for your Snapchat and just choose the account you want to base the Snapchat on and click on save. And after that guys, your new snapshot will appear in the snapshot list, and from there are custom Snapchat based on your account. And from there, just simply share a Snapchat by clicking on the share button next to the snapshot you want to share. And from there, you will have three options. You can either click on a share link, which is a one-time use link for installation, or you will have email share link, which is same as a one-time use link, but it will be sent via email, or you can go for a permanent link, which is a reusable link for ongoing access. And after that, just simply click on get link and copy it, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.